What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny, this is Billionaire Crypto Club. This is a new video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a top collections that have a lot of potential to shoot up and give you 10 or 100 X's in the future. Let's start this video, let's go and show you the collections. Before we start this video, guys, please follow my channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comment. Also, watch till the end because you don't want to miss important information because I'm gonna be showing you a lot of good tips about NFT. So let's go. And the first collections that I'm gonna show you is called Alpha Kongs. This is a really top collection that literally came out just recently. They already grown pretty good and they have 11.9k followers on Instagram. They not showing us all the NFTs that they're gonna launch, and they only gave us like sneak peeks of those 5 Kongs that they're gonna launch. So basically I like the drawing, and also cool thing about them is that the top artist who did the animation and did the art for Star Wars, Star Trek, Lion King, those top artists drew those NFTs. That's why it has a lot of hype about it. This is their Discord. They have 153,000 followers on Discord. Half of them are active. So that means that they have a huge potential, and they have 8,888 NFTs, and they're gonna have 500 slots for the whitelist. But it's very important because if you miss the whitelist, don't worry about it, and because that a lot of flippers gonna be flipping it right when it comes out, right when they mint it, and you'll be able to buy it on OpenSea, maybe a little bit more expensive than the mint price, or probably if the project is gonna be not as successful, but it's gonna shoot up in the future. Definitely, I'm 100% sure in this project it's gonna be very expensive in the future. It's very important. If you miss the whitelist, go on OpenSea, go to the market and buy it there, because that's gonna be a lot of flippers who's gonna just buy it and sell it right away after the mint. And to get the whitelist, I will show you what to do. You're gonna have to get 35 invites, get the level 10 in the chat. So you have to be very active right here. You have to talk to people and help them out, because sometimes they have questions, and admins and people who like the moderators, they also watch the chats every second, and they watch people who answer, who help. So you will get points for this, and those points will accumulate and give you the XP, and you will get a level. So basically this is not that hard. So if you put in some of the time into this, you will definitely get a whitelist, and you will be able to make a pretty good amount of money. Everything is locked right now, as you could see right here. In the future, when you get the whitelist, this lock is gonna unlock for you, and you will be whitelisted, and you'll be in the chat where you could talk to people who got the whitelist already. Let's move on to a second project. This project is called Hypersloth. This is a really cool project. As you could see, the drawing is insanely cool. Everything, as you could see, like you could see the fur, you could see the eyes. This is also 3D. They doing the giveaway for 50 whitelist spot, which is really not bad, and the conditions for the raffle is really not that bad. All you have to do is just tag 4 people, follow them and follow their artist, and go on their Instagram and Discord and join it. That's all you gotta do. And if you're lucky enough, you don't even have to put in the time to be active anywhere. You get the whitelist for free. This project grows insanely good. They have 115k followers, and they reach 35,000 followers in 2 hours. So imagine the speed of it growing so fast. I think this gonna have a lot of success in the future. And as you could see, they doing a great job banning bots on the Discord. Basically pretty solid project. All you have to do to join the whitelist, again, not that bad. You have to be active at all time. This is an easy way to get the whitelist, because right now the conditions are really easy. All you have to do is just get level 10 or invite 15 people. Invite 15 people is easy. You could invite your friends, or you could just create many Discords where you could just abuse it and like invite your accounts to this one, and you'll get 15 invites easily. Right now in the whitelist they have 1,000 people already. You will be able to get it because they still have time and they still have whitelists open. So don't hesitate, do it right now because you don't want to miss this opportunity. Low banks could definitely do it. Again, if you miss the whitelist, don't worry, at all, because you could just go on OpenSea on the market and mint it and buy it there from flippers, because in every project there are flippers who just don't want to wait and don't want to like wait for the project to go up so they could sell it for more. They just want to make quick money, quick cash, and go into another project. You gotta take these opportunities, guys. Don't miss it, because it's very important. NFT and crypto world never waits for somebody who is scared to do something. Do it all the time. Don't be scared. But also, you gotta be smart. So watch their project and don't go in something that you're not sure about. Slowly, we're moving on to the third project. This project is called Monolocal. They have 9,000 on Twitter. Don't look at that they don't have that many followers on Twitter. They're doing a great job pushing the Discord. This project created a lot of hype around it, and it's also a 3D design. I see a lot of potential in it, and I think in the future on the market this is going to be very valuable and it's going to cost a lot. This is the monolist. That's the name for the whitelist that they created, and they have 4,000 people, 4,000 whitelist, and right now they only have 1.3k people who already got the whitelist. So they still have a lot of opportunity to go in and get the whitelist. So they have more conditions to get the whitelist. Basically, you have to get 10 people, 10 invite. You have to be very active on their project, on their Discord, and get the level 10. You have to also put the Monolocal on your Discord name. So basically, you're gonna leave your name. Like as you could see, my name is Danik2911, and after my name, I'm gonna put Monolocal. So they know that you did this condition and you met the requirement. Again, after that, they have a sneak peek that they posted right here. I will show you the link later. You will have to put it on your profile picture, but tweet has to be your own. So you have to share your thoughts about this project and tweet and give them the link for the tweet that you wrote. You can't just retweet from their page. Also, you have to send a request. They're gonna show you over here, as you could see, the banana eligible. Over here, you're gonna send your information, and for the tweet that you created, you have to send it right here, tweet proof. So after you did everything and you received the whitelist, I'm gonna congratulate you already if you're gonna receive it in the future, because you will make money on this project. It has a lot of hype, and as you can see, it's really cool projects, like 3D and the design of it. In my opinion, this is very cool, and I'll try to get the whitelist, because why not? And you could mint it for cheap and then sell it and probably get like 1-2 Ethereum, which is not bad at all from just mint price. They didn't announce the mint price yet, but I don't think it's gonna be very expensive. So a good opportunity, don't miss it. We're moving on to the fourth project. So the fourth project is called Mutant Shiba Club. As we all know, Shiba Inu the coin did crazy in the beginning when it shoot up hella and everybody had a lot of hype about it, and right now they're doing Shiba Club NFT. So as you could see, a very cool design. Everything is moving. It's like a GIF. As in my opinion, this is very cool. The artist did a great job. They don't give you a lot of information on how to join the whitelist, and the cool thing about it is that you have to watch their project. That's how they create this hype, so bots don't join it, because as you could see right here, they saying that Discord link will be dropped here sometime, like during the day. Sometime they announce that, like as you could see right here, another link in 9 minutes. So they tell you that in 9 minutes they're gonna post the Discord. You have to be quick. You have to turn on the notifications. You have to follow their project and click right here. When they post something, you'll get a notification, and you have to be quick because they remove the Discord link very fast. And if you join it, I'm pretty sure you'll get good rewards there, and maybe if you join, you'll get a whitelist. Because I don't know, I haven't joined yet because I haven't caught the link yet, but if you guys do, this is very cool, because you will definitely get some perks and you'll definitely get rewards that other people want. You must watch this project, and they will do crazy good, because Shiba, as you know, did very well in the beginning. So in my opinion, this project has a lot of potential, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. I don't know about this one, but if you missed the whitelist, don't worry. OpenSea is open for everybody. You could definitely go there. Flippers exist and will exist in the future. You'll have a chance to buy it there and hold it, so in the future you'll make money on that too, because the project is going to be growing. As you could see, they only accepting like the actual special. The people who want this, who really into this project, they only get these people. They have really good active on their Discord. Don't miss this opportunity. Go into this project if you can. And the last project, in my opinion, the best one. That's why I told you guys to watch until the end, because you don't want to miss this. This is the Divine Assembly. This is also 3D, and the cool thing that what I like in my opinion is that they doing the characters and they creating them with fashion houses. So basically, as you could see right here, this one with the snake, something like Gucci, probably like a little bit of that in there. This lady right here, and on the top right here on the chest, it has the god with the snake, so it's like Versace. So this is really cool, and the drawing is insanely cool. They have crazy activity on the Discord because they don't have that many supplies. You could see only 7, like almost 8,000 supply, and the members are 21,000 right now. But the project's just launched, and they're doing great job right now getting the followers, getting people there, and they already banned 3,500 bots. They have really good moderators that watch the project, that take care of it, and they don't want like bots to get the whitelist. They want the actual people to get a chance and mint their NFT. So all you have to do for this project to get a whitelist is just get 4 invites, which is nothing compared to other projects, and you have to get the level 3 in the chat. That's nothing at all. You just have to be active for a couple of hours, because every time, like every minute, they give you I think 3 to 7 XP. That's nothing at all. 3rd level, it's easy to get, and right now they still have time. They still have people who could get the whitelist. It's only 187 out of 1,000, which is nothing right now, and you still have a good opportunity to get whitelist, which I'm definitely gonna do. And I will leave all the links to this Discords in the description, so you guys don't have to look for one. And also be careful, if you do look for one, sometimes there are fake accounts, fake groups on Discord and Twitter. You don't want to follow that, because this is scam, and sometimes when you join them, they're gonna give you a whitelist right away, and you'll just you'll pay the commission and everything, and those money gonna go to somebody else. You're not gonna receive an NFT. That's why all the official links are gonna be in the description, so the guys don't mess up and don't go on a scam project. All you have to do is just join them and meet the requirement. And I think this project is gonna be very successful, and they will do crazy good, and you don't want to miss it. I'm gonna be doing this one. I'm gonna try to get the whitelist, because right now they still have space and we still have time to do it. So guys, all the links in the description. Do it. Don't miss any opportunity where you could make money. So that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys like those collections. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave comments. This is very important for me. Billionaire Crypto Club was with you today. Peace out, everybody. See you in the next video.